Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol UGAZ. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the red and then the orange line here is coming from, and I'll talk about both these here in a second. But first update that needs to be done comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. So going into today, this 835 mark was the ideal area of support, but with the price breaking and gapping down below it, at that point, as the rule suggests, you'd expect it to act as resistance, and that is literally exactly, I mean, you could throw this right into a textbook. So the price gap below it, bounced back up, rejected, and then all afternoon long, you can see it can never quite push above there. So 835, definitely that near-term level of resistance to keep an eye on. But the other level that I want to get extended out is this trend line here, which I talked about on Tuesday being, essentially that key overall level that's just been monitoring that, the downwards nature of the move over the past 3 days. So even if the price can break above 835, just be very wary because you do have that trend line right there. Now, I'm not saying that the price can't break above the trend line. I'm just saying that just because the price breaks above 835, probably don't want to go take a second mortgage out on your home, take your kids' college tuition money and load the boat because you think some sort of massive breakout is going to happen, because there is that next level of resistance not that far away there. So just keep that in mind, as with any sort of breakout of the 835 mark. Now, as far as levels of support are concerned, key level right now, and what makes this chart quite interesting also, is that the price is now sitting right here around this very historic area, around $8.10. You can see right there, 810 and then 810. Last time the price was down around 810, very, very nice bounce. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that's a guaranteed to happen again, but the bounce has already started here. So a very valid question becomes, is this going to get bigger? Is this bounce going to get some follow through? And if it is, then, where we started, we'll circle back to. It's all about, can the price break above those areas of resistance? So let's see what happens with it going into Thursday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.